Christmas. The Cody Stumbo.
And the Kinny Landrum on Facebook.
All throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.
The Cody Stumbo.
And the Kinny Landrum.
We are in our fourth day of the 12 days of Christmas.
Guys, today we're going to bring you an awesome thing. We're going to give you a lifetime powertrain.
Did you say lifetime?
That's a lifetime.
I mean, is that like for your whole life?
That means that no expiration on the date or the miles for as long as you own it, my friend.
My goodness. Is that on every qualifying new and pre-owned vehicle here at Toyota Bowling Green?
Every new vehicle and every used vehicle that is 9 years or newer and has less than 90,000 miles.
Did you say less than 90,000 miles?
Less than 90,000
Whoa.
miles gives you lifetime powertrain.
You said lifetime powertrain.
Lifetime powertrain warranty, guys. So, like it says, the powertrain warranty, so it's going to cover the engine, the transmission, the transfer case, and all the drive axle components.
And you said this already, but it's no expiration by time or miles.
Or miles, no additional charge. All that we ask of you is that you get your service done with our service department. Oil changes and tire rotations every 5,000 miles.
Just oil changes and tire rotations.
Oil changes and tire rotations every 5,000 miles gives you a lifetime powertrain warranty.
And you know, with every purchase of a used vehicle, your first oil change is free.
It's free, and you get 3 years worth of car washes as well.
Do you really?
You do.
How about on a new car?
You get 2 years or 25,000 miles free maintenance and your year's worth of free car wash.
That's called Toyota Care. And why would you go anywhere else but Toyota?
Why would you? We have a lifetime powertrain warranty.
Toyota Bowling Green is the best place to buy a new or pre-owned vehicle in Bowling Green, Kentucky with
Lifetime powertrain
That's
warranty.
right.
Only on the corner of Scotts Road and Lovers Lane.
That's right. The Cody Stumbo.
The Kinny Landrum. Thank you guys for joining us on our fourth day of Christmas out of 12.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Take care. 12 days of Christmas. The Cody Stumbo.
And the Kinny Landrum on Facebook.
All throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.